Yo guys, so I wasn't really planning on making a video on this boat because I thought it was gonna be a quick flip, but why not make another boat restoration video? So I already power washed this thing, and that would have been a nice satisfying little transformation video, but I already did it. I haven't touched the inside yet though. So today I'm gonna take this thing to my backyard. I'm gonna take a shovel and I'm gonna clean out all these leaves and shit and this whole environment that's growing in there. I mean, I hit the seats. I power washed the inside a little bit, you know, like the windows and the basic stuff, but as you can see, there's a lot to get out. So I'm gonna go absolutely ham on this thing, throw a time lapse up in the back of my truck while I freaking just clean this biatch out. And yeah, we'll get her looking all nice and fresh. Well guys, that's gonna end this video. I mean, as you can see, I scooped out all the shit, cleaned out any of the garbage that was in here. It's just the rotten seats kind of left in here. That's rotten. That used to be wood. Floor's a little rotten too. But yeah, there was a whole ecosystem here. I tossed it all back there, in there. And this is it. After shoveling the inside out, you know, not too bad as it started out. But yeah, so I've already sprayed the outside. I'm gonna have to spray the outside again, obviously, but I'm gonna now actually probably power wash this inside here next, get it nice and clean, and then I'll probably start tearing seats out, start making up templates for seats if I'm gonna keep this thing. If not, I might just get it running and put it on Marketplace, but I don't know. If I'm gonna keep it, I think the first thing I'll do next is fix all these seats. I mean, I don't think I'll use the same design because I'll probably stitch it all myself, but I'll just, you know, get my templates for each of these seats cut out. I mean, these two are fine, but for those back two and up here, I'll get the templates cut, get those done and solid, and then I'm gonna have to move on to the floor if I'm gonna keep this thing, like I said. I don't know. Haven't really decided yet. I mean, it's got potential, and I kind of like the layout of it. It's got a nice nav system up there, and it's got a lot of goodies, really, to be honest, and it's clean title on the trailer and the boat. So I would honestly like to keep it, but it is up for sale right now. So if someone buys it, so be it. But I mean, it's a pretty sweet boat. This trailer's like beautiful, absolutely beautiful trailer, really is. And I mean, the boat's decent. The boat, like I said, it has potential. You know, I mean, I like these style bayliners, to be honest. So we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. But yeah guys, so I'll catch you. It's gonna end this video. Peace out. Have a good one. Oh god. All right, listen, I know I said that was the end of the video, yada yada yada. Well, it's the next day. I just wanted to show you guys I pulled the seats. I actually got this bitch kind of clean. Power washed the interior rather nicely. I redid the outside, like I said. I kind of got it all in a pile right there, and I'm gonna, you know, scoop it out. I had to let it dry because earlier it was like a puddle up in here. I don't want to step down there, it's probably wet, but you see, pulled the seats, got it clean where the seats were, you know, got the environment out. That's all plywood. This is rotted. I just haven't dealt with it yet, but that's what was a cover for there. I'll have to get a new one for that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this pile out. Probably not today, just because I got other stuff I want to do and it's hot, and I spent probably 2 hours this morning working on finishing this thing when I first got up. Started the day out while it was cool still on this. So yeah, I didn't want to leave you hanging, and I didn't want to make a whole video on just me saying, hey, I cleaned it a little better. So yeah, this is the actual end of the video. There she is. And yeah, so peace.